Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god! Now it's done with going to a morning school. Well, where am I? I'm in a jail. I'm big sized. I'll just try. I'm not sure. I sometimes fall down there when I'm flying down and up. Well, not up, but when I'm flying down, I lose control of my wings and fall all the way down there.
Yeah.
So, also there's an ant up here. I found all the access radar. So wait, is this a? Jump up! What the? Wait, look, we're in a wicked house. Oh, wait, but that. Let's go inside. Ooh, swings. Okay, I'm done. I guess we are supposed to be up here. Don't step on the prickly bush. Wait. Whoa.
Whoa, whoa, whoa.
Almost fell. Hey.
You have to jump over the prickles since you didn't put any shoes on.
Oh, also, you remember? Okay, let's go in the front yard. Why don't we go? Why don't I have
The front yard. Look at the swing.
Oh yeah, that's enough. Doesn't let me go on. I'm trying to safety tip. Why is there
A bike?
bike over there?
I have no idea. Where are we going?
Wait, this is just a whole city.
It's a whole city.
So yeah.
There's a lot of cars here.
It is a whole city as well as cars. And one motorcycle.
There's no motorcycles here.
Well, bike.
Oh, the bike.
It's all like this.
What is that chair doing over there in the grass?
I don't know where it is.
That's very suspicious.
Always been there. I'm gonna go on it.
Yeah.
Well, Adam,
Think maybe it's a magical chair?
maybe.
What if we do this? Whoa.
Just
Whoa.
get big. Did I get smaller?
I think you got smaller.
Oh no, I got smaller.
It is a suspicious chair. It's magical.
At least I can still fly. Whoa.
Whoa. No, I guess not.
I guess I
And
can't.
you're golden.
Wait, I'm golden.
Wow.
But wait. Okay. Okay.
Oh, look, you're small enough to go into the fairy garden now. You should investigate that fairy garden
Yeah.
because you're so small now.
I should go in there.
I don't know if that door's gonna open. Oh, it does open.
It opens. Hey, it has something in it on the pathway
Wow.
and a walk.
A little rock.
I guess why is okay? Why there two mushrooms and a mushroom doll?
I don't know. Look at that giant cat.
Yeah, it's like giant. It's giant.
Come over here and
Wait, why are you giant?
Well, I don't know. Come look at this over here.
Actually, it's probably because I'm small. What?
Kind of looks like a dinosaur.
What? Hey, that is the dinosaur.
Oh my gosh.
I'm on your arm.
Should we go look at more stuff?
Yeah. Whoa.
Figure out how to get you back to normal size?
Yeah. Wait. Wait, why are
What about this swing here? Do you think this swing looks a little suspicious?
Yeah.
I wonder if that'll make you normal size.
Maybe I fall through it.
Not if you fall through it.
Maybe if I don't this. Am I normal size?
No.
I think I'm big size. Yeah, I'm big size again.
So, we still haven't found the magical thing to make you regular size.
Yeah.
That's weird.
Wait, maybe it's the swings in the backyard.
Maybe. Let's go try those.
Maybe. Carry those guys. If I can get again.
Yeah, if you can get out of there.
I almost dropped it by doing it. Indeed, to go on this one, I think.
Think it's that one?
Yeah. Whoa. Am I mini sized again? Ooh.
And golden. Yep.
Okay.
So I guess that wasn't the right swing.
Maybe
Maybe there's a magical trampoline over there.
maybe this one is.
You think that one's magical?
Maybe. Ooh, wait, am I big size on the green?
Yep.
Oh,
Makes sense because there's green on this trampoline.
yeah.
Maybe
I need a magical apple.
Magical apple might do it.
Wait,
Well, there's apples here on the ground.
maybe I have to eat a magical wedge. Maybe if I'm inside, maybe I have to freeze myself.
I mean, you were outside. It was really hot out.
Yeah.
Do you even fit in there?
I fit. No.
All right.
Maybe I have to
Close
freeze.
it up.
And then, whoa.
Oh, man.
Whoa, I can't fly.
You got tiny again.
Wait, why do you keep being giant?
No, you shrunk. You got tiny again.
Maybe,
Everything you try makes you tiny.
maybe I have to go in here.
In the fridge? All right, we can try the fridge next.
Let's try I can climb. Okay, let's try
Okay.
the fridge. Okay, close. Wait, why is that milk jug tiny?
Because you got big again.
Ugh, I keep getting big and tiny. At first, when we go in the freezer,
You got tiny.
yeah, I shrunk.
And you went in the refrigerator and you got big.
Yeah, like what's going on? What's going on?
I don't know.
Wait, there is some stuff in the fridge. Maybe I have to like
Eat
eat
something?
One of these.
Eat that cutie?
I feel tiny.
Because you're tiny again.
Wow, start starting. Maybe.
All right, let's see what we can do here.
Why do I keep falling? You know what? Why am I? Ooh, yeah.
Yeah, be careful on the stairs. Yeah.
I shouldn't be walking down the stairs.
Yeah. How are you going to get from under there now? All right.
Actually, I can't.
I think it might be the big slide. Maybe the big slide is what will turn you to a regular size.
I'll just small slide.
Where are you going?
Oh yeah.
A little slide here.
It's right over here.
Okay, okay.
The dragon's on him and the giant.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right. Whoa!
Why is that real tiny?
You're giant now.
Again.
Ow. All right, let's try this slide.
It didn't work.
Didn't work. Oh,
Maybe I didn't see it.
see it? Right here.
And then it
Whoa. Whoa.
It rocked.
Look at you.
Yeah. I'm normal size.
You're normal size.
I'm normal size. Whoa.